Hey guys, I have a WinRAR file here, and I want to convert it to a zip file. So, the first thing I do is open the Google Play Store, then install an app called ZArchiver. It's free. In the ZArchiver app, I look for the WinRAR file that I had earlier. Then I tap the file, and I select the Extract to Archive name menu. That way, a new folder will appear with the same name as the WinRAR file that I have. Inside it contains all the files in the WinRAR file. Next I will tap and hold the folder. Then this time I select the Compress to Zip menu. And done. Now I have successfully converted a RAR file to a zip file on my Android phone. Turns out it's easy how. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.